Want to know the truth about mortgage interest? I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and more importantly, how to beat it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pay off your mortgage years early and save tens of thousands of dollars in interest, maybe even hundreds of thousands. I've spent my career working with money, and today I'm pulling back the curtain on something banks don't really want you to understand. Here's what we'll cover: how mortgage interest actually works. It's simpler than you think. Why you're paying way more than you borrowed. 4 proven strategies to escape early. A comparison table so you can see the real numbers. Plus, I'm giving you a free interactive calculator to run your own scenarios. Let's dive in. Part 1. The hidden cost. When people buy a house, they ask one question: can I afford the monthly payment? That's important, but it's not the whole story. What they're not asking is, how much will this loan actually cost me? And that's exactly what banks are counting on, because the interest is hidden inside your payment, and most people never see the real cost. Let me show you what I mean. The shocking truth about interest. Here's a real example. Let's say you borrow $250,000 on a 30-year mortgage. At 4% interest, you'll pay $180,000 in interest. At 6% interest, you'll pay $290,000 in interest. At 8% interest, you'll pay $410,000 in interest. Read that again. At 8%, you're paying $410,000 in interest on a $250,000 loan. You're paying the bank more than you borrowed, and this is completely normal. This is how mortgages work. How your payment actually works. Every mortgage payment has 2 parts. 1. Principal. This pays down what you borrowed. 2. Interest. This is pure profit for the bank. Here's the part they don't advertise. In the early years, almost all of your payment is interest. On that $250,000 loan at 7%, your first payment is $1,663. Want to know how much actually pays down your loan? Just $205. The other $1,458 goes straight to the bank as interest. Part 2. The math revealed in building an amortization table. Let me show you exactly how this works by building what's called an amortization table. Don't worry, it's just a fancy name for a table that shows where your money goes. I'll use our $250,000 example at 7% interest. Month 1. Starting balance: $250,000. Interest charged: $1,458. That's 7% divided by 12 months and multiplied by $250,000. Payment: $1,663. Principal paid: $205. Ending balance: $249,795. See that? The bank charges interest on whatever balance is left. The higher the balance, the more interest they charge. Finding the magic number. By using a formula, we find that you need to pay exactly $1,663.26 per month to pay off this loan in exactly 30 years. When I add up all those monthly interest payments over 30 years, the total is $348,750. Combined with the $250,000 you borrowed, you're paying almost $600,000 total. That's the cost of the loan they're not showing you up front. Quick note before we get to the solutions. I know this stuff can feel overwhelming. That's why I've built a free interactive calculator for you that does all this math automatically. You can plug in your mortgage numbers and see exactly what different strategies will save you. The link is in the description. Grab it now so you can follow along with your own numbers as we go through these strategies. Also, later in the video, I am going to show you using this free interactive calculator how we can escape this trap and pay off the principal first and save thousands. Alright, now let's talk about how to beat this system. Part 3. 4 ways to escape early. Now, here's the good news. You can beat this system, and it's simpler than you think. The secret? Pay down the principal faster, and you'll pay less interest. Here are 4 strategies. Now, let's go to the mortgage amortization calculator. Strategy number 1. Add $100 per month. Just $100 extra per month. That's it. Results. Loan paid off in 25.2 years instead of 30. Time saved, 4.8 years. Interest saved, $66,670. You're saving almost 5 years and $67,000 by finding an extra $100 a month that could be one less dinner out per week. Before we move to the next strategy, a little reminder that if this video helped you understand and gave you actionable steps to protect your money, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out money-saving content every week, and I don't want you to miss it. Strategy number 2, add $250 per month. If you can swing $250 extra per month, results: loan paid off in 20.6 years. Time saved, 9.4 years. Interest saved, $126,200. You're cutting your mortgage by nearly a decade and saving over $126,000. Strategy number 3, one-time lump sum. Let's say in year 2, you get a $5,000 bonus at work. You make one extra payment just once. Results: loan paid off in 28.3 years. Time saved, 1.7 years. Interest saved, $28,730. One payment saves you almost $30,000 and cuts off nearly 2 years. Strategy number 4, bi-weekly payments. Here's a clever trick. Instead of paying once a month, pay half the amount every 2 weeks. Since there are 52 weeks in a year, you make 26 half payments that equals 13 full payments instead of 12. You're making one extra payment per year without really noticing. Results: loan paid off in 23.8 years. Time saved, 6.3 years. Interest saved, $85,354. You can also build your own custom strategy by using the options shown and see the strategy comparison summary below. Let me know in the comment box, was it useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Here is the summary table. Here's how these strategies compare side by side. For a $250,000 mortgage at 7%. For a $250,000 mortgage at 4%. The interest savings are lower with lower rates, but you still shave off significant time. The key principle: all 4 strategies do the same thing. They pay down your principal faster. Less principal equals less interest charged equals faster payoff. The earlier you start, the more you save, because you're preventing years of future interest from piling up. Here's what you need to remember. Your mortgage isn't just what you borrowed. It's what you borrowed plus hundreds of thousands in interest. But you're not powerless. Every extra dollar you pay toward principal is a dollar that stops generating interest. Start small if you need to. Even $50 extra per month adds up over time. The banks are counting on you making minimum payments for 30 years. Don't give them what they're expecting. And here's my gift to you. I've created a free interactive mortgage calculator that you can download and use. It shows you exactly how each strategy works with your numbers. The link is in the description below. It's completely free, no strings attached. Play with it, share it with friends, use it to plan your payoff strategy. If this video helped you see mortgages differently, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more money strategies that actually work. Thanks for watching. Now go crush that mortgage.